Hi my love, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you here. So in today's video I am partnering with a beautiful Moissanite brand called Read Your Heart, and I want to tell you all about Moissanite because I had no idea it existed. So if you're not aware, I actually got engaged a couple of months ago and it was completely unexpected. I had no idea it was going to happen, and it wasn't something that I actually so much about. I wasn't sure what kind of ring I wanted. Of course I had one on my vision board, but I created that vision board years ago and I feel like the ring that I had on there was definitely not my style anymore. So yeah, I just want to talk to you about, engagement rings, my engagement story, and to share with you this beautiful brand. So let me tell you a little bit about Read Your Heart. How it came about was that Alyssa, the founder, went on a holiday to the Antarctic Pole with her fiance at the time. However, unfortunately during the trip she lost her engagement ring, which was really sad. But while on the trip she actually was really attracted by a diamond ring that a lady was wearing, and as they started talking she actually came to find out that the ring that lady was wearing wasn't actually a diamond ring. It was in fact a moissanite ring. That really appealed to Alyssa and she started to research more about it, and when she went back she actually founded Read Your Heart. Moissanite jewelry is actually the main product of the brand, but they do other types of jewelry as well, including silver and gold. So if you're not familiar with Moissanite is actually a much more affordable alternative to a real diamond, but it comes with so many other benefits. So one of them is the fact that it's mining free. So Moissanite is created in the lab, which means that you don't have to mine it and is much more environmentally friendly. The second one, of course, is value. Moissanite is much more affordable than a diamond and also other gemstones available on the market. However, it has the same fire and hardness as a diamond, and unless you're a professional expert you would not be able to tell the difference between them. So what attracted me most to a moissanite ring is actually the durability aspect of it, and also if you're engaged and you have a diamond ring, then I would strongly suggest not wearing your diamond ring on holiday or in any instances where you might lose it. I think it's a really bad idea to bring your real diamonds on holiday just in case you lose it, because I know they can be so expensive. So personally for me, I will actually use this ring when I'm going abroad, or if I want to take it to places where I don't want to use my real diamond. Or I notice with my real diamond engagement ring, I take it out so often because I'm kind of trying to baby it and protect it. And I feel like with this one, because the value is so affordable, I just feel like I wouldn't have to baby it as much and I wouldn't feel as bad when I'm wearing it in situations where I know there might be a potential to lose it. So now let's do a little unboxing so I can show you how these products arrive. So the first thing that you get with this brand is actually this beautiful gift bag. So I feel like this would be absolutely perfect if you plan to gift any of the items that you buy, because you already have this gorgeous bag to use. This is what the gift bag looks like, and it's in their classic brand color, which is kind of almost a Tiffany blue, but this is really pretty and it's great that it comes with it. If you own real diamonds, then you know that you get a certificate of authentication with your diamonds. So Moissanite also has a certificate of authentication, so their one is called GRA. This is what the certificate looks like. It's very similar to what you'd get with a real diamond. This is the GRA Moissanite report, and then here it tells you all the information that you need to know about your ring. And this is one thing that I actually wish I knew before getting engaged, and when it came to engagement rings, is the fact that you need to basically know the 4 C's. So with diamonds you also have the 4 C's, and that also applies to moissanite. So you have the color, clarity, cut, and weight. So let's start with the color, and I'll insert a picture on the screen. So ideally you want to be somewhere along the colorless range because that's best. So D, E, or F, as you can see on the screen. And what's great is actually that Read Your Heart sells moissanite that's in the D to F range, which is colorless and is the best one that you can actually get. So when it comes to clarity, again, as you can see the graph on the screen, you want to be at either very slight inclusion or very slight inclusion, and that's actually again the range that Read Your Heart sells their moissanite in, which is fabulous. In terms of the cut, you want to be somewhere along the very good to the excellent mark. The one that I picked up from them is excellent, so I feel like again they sell rings that are in a very good range. And with the carat weight, of course, the bigger the carat weight, the higher the price. So in terms of the carat weight, I actually picked up a 1 carat. But yeah, you get this GRA certificate of authentication, which is fabulous. And you also get this card, which is basically the warranty that comes in that envelope as well. You also get a little leaflet that tells you all the information that you need to know, both about the brand and the jewelry, so how to care for it, and just pretty much some of the information that I talked you through. It actually says here that moissanite is the most popular alternative to diamonds. I feel like in the UK it's not that big of a moissanite market, but in the US it's much bigger. I was really intrigued to actually discover moissanite because I had no clue something like this existed. So yeah, this is full of useful information as well. And you also get this polishing cloth, which I think is fabulous and it will come in really handy. The jewelry comes in this beautiful blue box that's in the colors of the brand, and it has the logo at the top. It says Read Your Heart, and it feels actually quite good quality and quite sturdy. So when the brand reached out to me and they offered to send me something, I was really happy, because once I got engaged I knew that I would love to have a different ring that I would be able to wear on holidays, or particularly on holidays, or if I'm going away and I don't want to wear my real engagement ring. I knew that I kind of wanted to have something. I didn't know moissanite existed, so I didn't know what the alternative would be. I was thinking of potentially any other ring. But yeah, I was really pleased to discover this company when they reached out to me. So for my real engagement ring, I have a solitaire round ring, and I knew I wanted something different because I of course have that one and that's my main ring, but I will also wear this one quite a lot, and I knew I just wanted something different. I wanted a different shape, so that's why I went with the pear cut. Pear cut is, I'd say, probably my third choice. My second choice would be an oval, but I really like the pear cut as well. So this is what it looks like on, and as you can see, it's just got the same beautiful shine and sparkle and fire as a real diamond would. So this is the side profile. And honestly, and it also says on the inside S95, so you probably, the camera won't probably pick up on it, but the metal is 95 sterling silver. And how gorgeous is this ring? I absolutely love the look of it. I think it's so beautiful. Honestly, you would not be able to tell that this is not real diamond. It actually shines so much. Yesterday when I first received the package, I was wearing it the whole day, and it was really hot outside, and it was shining so much. It was unbelievable. So let me just read a bit of the information to tell you about this particular ring. So this one is a carat weight is 1 carat, the grade is D, the clarity is VVS1, and the cut grade is excellent. And I also got another ring from them, and it comes in the same beautiful blue box, and this is what this one looks like. This is their V-shaped half eternity sterling silver wedding band, and this one goes absolutely perfect with this ring, the pear shape. Let me show you what it looks like on. Actually, let me give you a little bit of a close-up so you can see what this one looks like. This one is beautiful. So this is a wedding band, and it just goes so perfectly with the pear shape of the engagement ring. Side profile, and this one also comes in the 95 sterling silver. And now let me put them together so you can see how beautiful they look. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how beautiful the set looks. I think they go so well together. They are absolutely gorgeous. And these ones are both in the 925 sterling silver. However, they also do them in different types of gold and platinum. My real diamond ring is actually platinum, and I wish I got gold, but I just know that platinum is a lot more durable. So that was one of the reasons why I went with platinum. But I am super happy with these rings. I actually have a holiday coming up, and I'm so excited I'm going to be able to take these away with me. So I do wear a wedding band, and I'm not even married, but we're going to get married. I just need to organize it. I am honestly so happy with how these rings look, and I think the whole experience, it feels very, very nice. I really like the colors of the boxes. I love the way that everything is packaged, and I know budgets differ and everyone's opinion is different, but I think moissanite is an incredible alternative to a diamond, and the prices are incredibly affordable. So if you were to lose this one, you would not feel bad about it. Nowhere near as bad as if you had your real diamond ring. Of course, you can get an insurance for your real diamond, but I think having something like this would definitely give me a lot more peace of mind, so I don't have to worry about my real diamond. And just to give you a little bit of an idea on prices, so you can see how incredibly affordable they are. So the pear-shaped one retails for $228, and then the wedding band, oh my gosh, honestly, so incredibly affordable. It's $59.95. So yeah, this is what I got from Read Your Heart, and thank you so much to the team for sending me these beautiful rings out. I know I'll get so much wear out of them. And also, I did mention in the title things I wish I knew before I got engaged, especially for me because it was so unexpected. I would say definitely have a shape in mind, because you just don't want to feel rushed during the process of picking a shape. I feel like if you do your due diligence, and I'm such an indecisive person, and that's why I feel like something like this would come in incredibly handy, because for me, because I'm so undecisive, I would love to be able to buy a ring like this and wear it for a couple of months and see if it's actually my ideal shape. And you can play around because they're so affordable. You can definitely play around with different shapes. I would play around with a pear, or I mean, whatever your preference is, but I would have loved to play around for a couple of months with a solitaire, a round shape, a pear, an oval, and just get a feel for what my ideal shape is. That's why I feel like, because these are so affordable, you would not feel bad getting different rings and just trying them out before you get proposed to, and then that'll give you a really good idea of the kind of shape that you want. Also, it's really important to be aware of where you want to be in terms of clarity, cut, color, and all those things. So basically the 4 C's, I think those are really important. So my fiance proposed with the dummy ring, which for me and us worked best, because I definitely wanted to have an involvement in picking out the ring. Obviously I had no idea it was going to happen, but I did really want to be involved in picking out the ring after I got proposed to, because it's something that you're going to be wearing for the rest of your life. And I think it's really important that it's something that you love and it's 100% you. Yeah, so I think it's really important that you pick out a shape that you really like, and also just that you have an idea on kind of the clarity, the cut. I was so incredibly overwhelmed when we actually had to go and pick out a ring, because first of all, I had no idea on the shape. I just, you know, there was just so much choice, and I was so incredibly overwhelmed, not only with the shape, but then in terms of clarity and cut, and I didn't really know what I wanted. I mean, the sales associates were incredible at explaining everything, but I just found the whole process so overwhelming. We actually went the first time, I found it way too difficult, and then I left about a 3-week gap, and then we went again, not expecting to find anything and not putting any pressure on myself, but then we ended up finding a really nice one, which I actually really love. So those are things that I wish I knew. So basically just having a shape in mind and making sure that you try out different shapes. I mean, that's just the advice that I would give to myself, but if you know the shape, then amazing, you don't have to go through this process. But I just wish I was a tiny bit more prepared in terms of knowing what I wanted. I know there's no rush in picking out the ring after you do get proposed to, but yeah, I think that would have been really nice. And also just having a little bit of an idea of kind of the shape that you want, and in terms of the 4 C's, clarity, cut, color, and all those things, I think that would have been really helpful if I knew in advance. So I guess if it was unexpected, you can't really do much about it, but I wish I would have looked a tiny bit more into it, knowing that it would happen at some point. I just never thought I'd get engaged. I thought it would be another couple of years and I still have time, but you just never know when it happens. So the team at Read Your Heart have kindly given me a discount code for 15% off site-wide. And like I said, they don't only sell engagement or wedding rings, they sell so many other beautiful pieces of jewelry on their site. So I would highly recommend you check them out. And also I'll leave all the links that you need to find out more information about the brand and purchase these rings that I showed, or just have a browse through all the other products that they sell. I'll leave all the links in the description section down below. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and loads of fashion videos. And until next time, take care and bye for now.